Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanusree and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and much more. So if you are new to this channel, welcome. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. To begin with, this is just a personal opinion. Don't take it too seriously, and please don't throw. I'm not trying to throw any shade on any brand. It's just that it's a personal opinion. Is all the products I have tried, and all the products haven't been of no really use to me. It's just a normal video. It's just a fun video. The products which I didn't like, and it's a very personal opinion. So I thought of doing a monthly favorites video, and then I realized that I don't use so much products, or I don't change my products monthly basis. So January favorites, Feb, March, that won't really work, and I won't be able to keep it up for a long time. But if at all someday in some months I try out some products or something, I will definitely put that up on my channel. But as of now, since I wanted to share my opinion about this product, so I decided to make this video. And without much delay, let's just move straight to the video. There are some products which I feel that even if you don't have it, even if you don't have them, you're not missing out on anything. Also, the products which I'll be sharing is not that in a hierarchy like from bad to worst and vice versa. It's just randomly I'll be telling you about these products. And after using these products for a really, long time, I am here making this video because I don't really want to jump on it or something like that. This is a very personal opinion and I'm mentioning it thousands of times because after I put that Mama Earth onion shampoo video, so many people, like, they texted me on Instagram and they were telling me like, why did you even want to put the video out there? The brand might not even collab with you, but it's a very personal opinion. I tried some product out. It caused damage to me more than doing anything good, so I wanted people to know. Obviously this is a subjective context and it might not work for me, it might work for you, so it's up to you whether you want to, go ahead and buy such products or not. So the first product is this one. This is the Nykaa Skin Potion for dull and dry skin. Also, I'm shooting in natural light. I don't have ring light with me at this point, so the light might fluctuate, so just bear with that. So yes, as I was saying, that this is the first product, and I bought this product. I bought this product approximately around 4.5 months back. Initially, it was really nice. I think the Bangalore weather was really dry at that point, and I was applying it every night. It was very subtle and everything. And usually, I use face oils whenever I'm doing double cleansing. This initially it was working fine, and I was very happy with this product. But after 2 to 3 uses, I realized that it's not happening because of this one. Had it been any other oil, the results would have been the same. And I'll tell you why I felt like this. It's just that one day I decided to skip it, and I had normal nariyal tel with me, and I followed that double cleansing procedure with that oil, and it did better results than this. And then I realized that this was nothing. This was doing nothing. And just imagine the price of normal coconut oil with this one. This is around, I think, 6.99, and this is, the volume is for around, I think, 30 ml. Yes. So imagine this one versus normal coconut oil, which costs around, I don't know how much, 200 to 50. So 700 versus 200, and giving the same results throughout. So I don't really see the purpose of buying this one with 700 bucks. First of all, it's expensive. Second of all, I tried using this for a month, and nothing nothing really happened. As mentioned, that you'll have a very supple glow, but then, as I have mentioned in all my videos, I have a very sensitive combination kind of a skin. So during winter or during a season when it's very cold, my skin tends to be dry, it tends to be rough. So I have to have apply something which is very thick, also which doesn't really cause my skin to break out. So yes, one thing good about this oil is that my skin, in spite of being sensitive, it didn't end up in breaking out or and causing a lot of acne. So that part was really nice with this oil. But Apart from that, this oil did nothing good to me. It's very expensive, and I would not suggest using this to anybody, because I mean, save your bucks, man. There are a lot of products, there are a lot of even DIYs for that matter, which works perfectly well for your skin, whether you have dry, dull skin. And for that, I think this Nykaa product is a big no-no to me, and I would not suggest this product to anybody. So moving on to the next product. The next product is Mama Earth's Upton face wash, and I think by this time people will tell me that I have a problem with this brand. No, I don't have any problem with this brand. There are specific Mama Earth products which I use and which I like, but then there are certain, again, specific products which I don't really appreciate of this brand. One, obviously you guys know that onion oil and onion shampoo did very, like, a lot of harm to my hair health rather than doing any good. So the second product which really didn't work for my skin is this one. This is the Upton face wash, and as you can see that I have almost used this. If you ask me regarding the price of this product, I would say it's pretty fine. I mean, to 50 bucks for this, it's okay. The products which are available out there are as per this range only. There's another product from this Upton range, which is the Upton face scrub, I think. It's the physical exfoliant from the same range. And very sorry to say that the face wash and the face scrub both are almost similar. So this face wash is not entirely a face wash. It is a combination of face wash and face scrub. And I really don't like this, because face wash and face scrubbers are two very different things. It must be kept separately. I mean, both are of similar nature, and I couldn't really distinguish between which one is face wash and face scrub apart from what's written here. So that is something, a big no-no for me, because if you're trying to make products similar kind, I think there's no use of, trying to even explore that product. Also, face wash should be used to cleanse your face, not for scrubbing or exfoliation, nothing. This face wash is, I won't say it's entirely bad, but the purpose of face wash is not there. And someone who doesn't really want to, use physical exfoliants for the skin would not really appreciate this face wash. I have tried this this lasted for around 4 months. For under 5 months, I guess. And personally, if you ask me whether I would go to the market and buy this product, then I would say no, because there are a lot of different face washes which are available, and for someone who has a sensitive and combination skin, I would suggest that this face wash is a big no-no for you. If your skin is acne prone, then also this face wash is a big no for you. Also, if your skin is allergic prone, or if you have certain skin condition, this product is a big no-no for you. This doesn't really fulfill its criteria of being a face wash, so I won't really suggest this one to anybody. I don't have a problem with the brand, but the thing is that there are specific products of this brand which is very nice, which are really nice. There are very particular products of this brand which are so popular, so famous, and unfortunately those products I have tried personally and they didn't work at all. So this one is a big no for me, and I will never suggest this product to anybody. So now moving on to the next product. The next product is this one. This is the liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty, and I have a lot of dark circles. I have a lot of pigmentation on my skin, so if I'm going out or if I'm not applying foundation on my skin, I prefer applying concealers. That it does its work really well. So this one is in the shade of sable, I don't know how you pronounce it, 0.2, I think you can see it, 5.6 gram for 229 rupees. And if you ask me, it's a very decent price for a concealer, because I have used a lot of concealers, the Maybelline ones, the MAC ones. I think MAC concealers are the best concealers which I've used till date, and apart from that, Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, it's amazing. But at that point when I was buying the concealer, Maybelline was not available and I didn't have the budget for MAC, so I bought this one because I have heard about Swiss Beauty, and Swiss Beauty liquid lipsticks I have used, and it's a very good brand. But somewhat this particular concealer didn't work for me, so this is how it looks like. I think I think you'll be able to see it. The biggest disadvantage of this concealer is that it has a very shimmery effect. Concealers should be something which will conceal your pigmentation. I have discoloration over here, if you have pimple spots or something like that, which has to be a shade lighter than your skin tone and which will glide properly so that it looks like your skin. But the shimmery effect it gives, it's not at all good. Also, after some time, it becomes really cakey under your eyes. And I have tried a lot of tricks to how you prevent the concealer cakey and everything, and trust me, it never happened with either Maybelline. It never happened, obviously MAC too, it wouldn't ever happen. But with this one, I think after an hour or two it really shows. So I have very fine lines under my eyes, and this concealer makes it worse. Right now I'm just using it just like an eye primer for my eyeshadow. If I am shooting for like any makeup videos or something like that, which I'm not. So this product is a complete waste for me at this point. I think the lip shades are amazing. I would not prefer buying any concealer from this range of Swiss Beauty. Moving on to the next product. The next product is this. This is from the Plum Body Loving range, and it's the gel body scrub. So this was sent to me by the brand itself, and the entire range is really nice. I really loved their vanilla body oil. I loved their body mist. It's amazing. Those two products are my favorites. But this product, I mean, it is nothing. The fragrance is really, really nice. It's very, like kind of an eatable kind of a thing, but it's really nice. But apart from that, it's nothing. I mean, the consistency is also very fine. One thing I really don't like about body scrub is that being too watery. This has a very gel and watery like consistency, which is fine by the way. But body scrubbers, I prefer it a bit thicker, on the thicker end. And obviously my favorite all-time favorite is the one from McAfee. It's amazing, and I swear by that product till now. This product I thought of using it, but then I mean, you can, I don't know, I won't be able to show it, but I think it's visible on camera. I tried using it, I tried loving it, but I couldn't. I mean, it does nothing to your skin, nothing. Obviously, whatever you use, whether it's soap or scrubber, your skin will feel different after that. But it's not persistent. I don't really know how well of an exfoliant it is for your body. This comes for 550 bucks, so it's okay. I mean, 550 rupees for a body scrub, it's pretty fine because the amount of products available in the market which are really good. And considering the price range, 550 for this product, I mean, for this one is okay. But apart from the fragrance and everything, it does nothing. And I don't know, I mean, this product, I would say a big no to anybody who thought of investing in this gel body scrub from Plum Loving. Please don't buy it. I mean, it's not worth it. So moving on to the next product. The next product is this one. This is the Levon Heat Protect Serum, and it's very easy to use and everything. Honestly, the purpose of serum, I mean, I have tried so many serums, whether it's from Matrix, L'Oreal, a lot of other brand serums as well. But this serum, the price is really nice, but it does nothing to your hair. Also, I experienced hair fall after using the serum, so I have stopped using this serum altogether. So there is so much product left in this bottle. I feel so sad. So I just apply it towards the end of my hair. The entire purpose of leaving your hair smooth and supple as it happens when you use a serum, I mean a hair serum, the entire purpose, it somehow doesn't suffice well. I have applied the serum for maybe 4 or 5 times till date. I mean, this is a way long purchase, and every other time whenever I've used it, I've experienced hair fall after ironing, or if I'm drying my hair. I always tend to prefer applying a hair serum before applying any sort of heat on my hair. So this product is a big no-no for me. I swear by the Matrix hair serum. It's so good, and since I use that serum so much, I can tell you the difference what this product does not do to your hair. Hair serums are actually very debatable. I mean, some people, not serums, I mean in general hair products are debatable because your hair texture, your hair scalp, your everything is very different, and also if you have vitamin D and iron deficiencies also, then you will face a lot of issues. But this product is, I mean, I have used Matrix hair serum simultaneously. I've also used, I think, the Extenso one from L'Oreal. So those two products, I swear by. They're amazing hair serums, but this is a budget-friendly serum. No harm, no harsh feelings regarding this. Obviously, it didn't really escalate my hair fall or something like that, but still my hair didn't like it didn't do its work properly, so it's a big no. Also, to add on top of it, after you use this product, I mean, I have noticed that my hair was kind of looking like I have applied oil when it shouldn't be the case, and it has a very watery consistency. So you have to keep your hair open, let it dry, or use hair dryers, whatever you want to. But I found it like it's giving me the look of applying an oil, which I didn't like, even though it has a watery texture. So I don't know what's wrong with this on my hair, but this product is I mean, if you can, please avoid this product. And the final product is this one again from Nykaa, Strobe and Glow. um I mean, it's such a disappointing product. This is how the product looks like, and the shade is, I think, glazed bronze. This is a very beautiful shade for Indian skin tone, and it gives you that shimmery, if you want a very shimmery foundation base, you'll get that. If you want that highlighter thing, you will get that. The biggest disadvantage of this product is it's extremely thick, very thick, and it's I mean, if you know the purpose of highlighter, I don't think such thick highlighter works in this in Indian weather. I've also tried using this with foundation. I was sweating profusely, and I am not really a fond of liquid highlighter. I'm more of that powdery highlighter or that stick highlighter kind of a woman. So this highlighter the shade is beautiful. No wonder the shade is beautiful, but its consistency is too bad. Highlighter should not be this thick. So finally, what I did with this highlighter is that I used to mix it with 2 to 3 drops of normal moisturizer, and then just apply it on your, your apples of your cheeks to get that glow and everything. But honestly, such thick consistency of a highlighter, it's a big no. It's a very big no. Don't really appreciate this consistency of this highlighter. It's an expensive purchase. It's for 700 bucks, this bottle. If you really want to go ahead and purchase it and mix and match, I mean, you can if you have all the time. I really don't have that much time if I'm going out or doing makeup. I mean, it has to be very instant. For someone who is always in a rush, and if you're trying to use a highlighter, this is a big no. If you're a beginner, you want to experiment with a highlighter, this is a big no. So yeah, that's it. Also, once again, all our skin, hair are very different. So, yeah, the views might vary, but it's not a very personal attack on these brands. If all of us are different, if you want to try and experiment out on this product, you can go ahead, see it yourself if it's working for you or not, then you can decide. You just don't have to listen to anybody out there on the internet telling you not to do this or not to do that. I'm nobody to tell you this. So this was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.